FFmpeg on Mac. Install, trim, compress, go. Install FFmpeg on macOS with one Homebrew command. Verify the version. You want FFmpeg 6.1 or newer. Ffprobe shows metadata. Codec duration. Format equals JSON gives you parsable output. Useful for scripts. Cut a clip without re-encoding. Use -ss to start, -t for it's instant, no quality loss. The fastest trim you'll ever do. Convert between formats. MOV to MP4. Need to change codec? Add -cvlibx 264 and -c8. Universal compatibility. Compress with CRF. Lower number, better quality. Use preset to control speed. Medium balances encoding time and file size perfectly. Extract audio with -vn to drop video, -c a copy to keep a FFmpeg, trim, convert, compress, extract. The Swiss Army knife of video. Done.